Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We're going to showcase a bunch of Tacomas that we've worked on here at the shop. 88 Rotors is located in Southern California. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Let's dive right into this. Here's a 2022 Tacoma TRD Pro that we previously installed a set of Fox 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers with DSC on here. We also did some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms and our add-a-leaf system in the back. With the lift done, we were able to fit some two 85/75/16 Cooper STT Pros on here. The customer ended up adding some weight to the vehicle, so it kind of sagged a little bit. He's back here today for us to make some adjustments to bring it back up to the right and proper height. And in case you're wondering, this is a 4WP front bumper that was installed on here with some Baja design Squadron sports. Those are in the amber color, as you can see. The truck also has a Go Fast camper on it and was wrapped in this gray metallic satin color. And FYI, we did not wrap the vehicle. Next up, we have another returning customer. We originally installed a spacer lift on this Tacoma. We did the wheels, tires, front grille, Prince roof rack, and the Baja design Squadron Sport amber wide cornering lights on it previously. Well, he's back today for some more upgrades. We're actually going to drop the suspension this time. We're ditching them for a set of Fox Factory Race Series 2.5 with Remote Reservoir Coilovers and Shocks, Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms, our add-a-leaf system, and we're also doing some Duro bumps for both front and rear. And here's a shot of my personal Tacoma. It's a long travel setup that I have on air, supercharged, wide-bodied, and some other goodies. If you want to see more details of it, I do have it on my Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. And right back over to the silver Tacoma that we're working on. The Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series front coilovers have been adjusted to about 3 inches of lift and installed onto the vehicle. We just need to mount up the reservoir next. The Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms are already on as well. Add-a-leaf is on in the rear end and one shock is on the driver's side right here. You can also see the Duro bumps installed. Wheels back on and the vehicle's down to the ground after the suspension install has been completed. We're torquing the wheels down to spec right now before we bring it out for a quick test drive in our parking lot before we hand the keys back over to our customer. This next white colored Tacoma is getting the identical setup. Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series, coilovers and shocks all around, Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms, and our add-a-leaf system. On to the next Tacoma. This one just did receive our Kings 2.5 remote reservoir and shocks installed on it with some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms and our add-a-leaf system. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with the bead grip wheels from Method. These are the MR701s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset that we wrapped in a 285/70/17 tire size. Just did a high clearance bumper cut on it as well. We just need to add the edge trim and we'll be done with the vehicle. With the edge trim on, the vehicle goes down to the ground, gets torqued down to spec, and is brought out for a test drive once again. Next, Lunar rock colored Tacoma is in for a Fox 2.5 remote reservoir coilover and shock setup all around. Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms and our add-a-leaf system. We added some RRW RR7H wheels on here with some 285/7017 Toyo Open Country MT tires. If you like what you see here and want to see more, did you know that we have an Instagram page that we post daily? You can find us at 88 Rotors Offroad. We post on there every day, throughout the day, on our feed, stories, and IG Reels. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And here's another Fox setup that we're doing on this Tacoma. The only thing different from this one compared to the other ones I showed you earlier is that this one's going with a set of Method MR305s in the double black finish. The owner of this vehicle decided to go with some 285/7017 Falcon Wild Peak AT3W tires. And this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much, as always, for stopping on by and checking us out. And thank you so much for the continued support. We greatly appreciate you guys. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell also. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another cool Tacoma video or something else that you might like. So make sure to do all that. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, guys.